greensandmachines.com.
Chardonnay, many different clusters. I've trained all these vines so they all stay within the cage, but it's tough because they still all want to grow every which direction. Cabernet still, you see all these vines growing all over the place? It's crazy. Got a nice big cluster back here. Look at this. Look at that. Goodness. Pinot Noir. Two little moderate-sized clusters. Very good. Yeah, I've kind of seen that's a good leaf. So maybe need to fertilize it coming around. Dang, everything's got clusters. Barbera, yeah. Let's get this one too. Nice ones. And we have our Symphony, which has dozens of clusters. This is going to produce at least like a bottle's worth of wine this year. I can see it, as long as they don't all get eaten. Grenache Noir's got a good 3 or so nice-sized clusters coming in. I didn't see all these clusters before. I seem to be very bamboozled by this. All these new vines, they're not seeing much action. Even this little one, which I thought was going to produce a lot. You see all growth. I must have snipped off too much when I pruned. And I have to walk over here without tripping. The Zinfandel vines, they somehow grew like little tiny ones, which I'm not sure why. I've had to train this one up and around. Here's a good sized cluster. This is going to look like the most productive year. Everything's looking really good. Elianico or Syrah, I don't remember. That's a Syrah. Syrah has a few kind of spread out clusters. I remember this one. One of them's Tempranillo, which is this one. No, this is the Syrah. It's Zinfandel. That's Elianico, that's right. Elianico has all the weird little spread clusters. And they just kind of train this way up wherever, and you get the owl overlooking the garden to scare away all the birds. Thank you, Mr. Owl. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say about the vineyard right now. Except we're a few months out from harvest and things are looking promising. I'll have to come back in, if it's June now, probably in August, to start bagging up all the clusters so the birds don't get them. Alright, that's a good vineyard update.